What's going on, guys, and welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony. I know I've been gone for a while. I had a couple of things going on with my family. I had a death in my family, and we were also moving at the same time. But the reason I'm here is because I have some broken headphones for you guys. Take a look at this. Look at my Beats headphones. Yeah, so I called Apple, and Apple was like $250 to fix or replace them. So I'm not having that. I'm going to fix them myself, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going to get right into the repair. Here's the replacement headband that I have. Alright, there's 2 screws on each side. 2 screws on each side. See that there? Alright, and these are the broken headphones. Alright, so you see they look very, very identical. Of course, this is not genuine Beats because they don't make parts. The only way you can get a genuine part is if you buy a broken part off eBay and then take the headband off and replace it. But yeah, so this is what we'll be using. So let's get into this. Put this new one to the side. Let's look at the old one. Alright, so you see that's where the damage was. Looks really nasty in there. Alright, so we're gonna take the screwdriver and we're just gonna try to get these off. So we're gonna actually bend it at the crease. Alright, so see, there's the screws. And the headband came with 4 screws and a screwdriver, so it's really good. Alright, so we got one out. To the next one. Got the next one out. Okay. Now we gotta go to the other side. The other side was actually fine, but yeah. And bear with me, guys, because I'm actually using my iPhone 10 to record this part. New place doesn't have adequate lighting, so you know I have to set up my lights for my videos, so yeah. So bear with me. Okay, both screws are out. Okay. Alright, so we can go ahead and start taking the headband off, so just pull this off. Give me 1 second. Okay, and there's actually a clip thing here that separates the foam from the headband. And it's attached with clips, so you just want to be careful when you're taking it off so you don't break any of the clips, because you're going to have to reuse this part. So there's the old headband, guys. Old one, new one. Pretty much the same. Okay, so let's put the old one out to the side. Here's the new one. Alright, so we're gonna take the new one and take the cable and run it along inside. Let's put this down. Get that down. Well, it's hard for you guys to see this, but everything clipped in. Alright, it's going right in there. Let's check the other side. Okay. Get it all clipped up. Okay, now let's take the rubber or silicone headband cover. Let's see if we can get that on there. Okay, got one side in. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put those screws in. so that's one side. I know I'm missing one screw on that side. I won't put all the screws on until it's completely finished. So let's continue. The headband. Snugly in there. Alright, it's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. You know what, guys? I think there's some plastic left in there from the old piece. Yep. Let's see if I can get it out. There it is. That was causing a big deal. I think there's more on the other side. Yep. It's a big chunk too. There it is. There's another one. See that? So be careful when you guys are repairing these. Just make sure you remove all of the debris. I kind of missed that step. Now it's going in snug. Okay. All right. So let's finish this headband off. All right. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now it's got to get the screws in. Somebody with big fingers doesn't work out too well. Before we get in there. All right, that's one down. Two more to go, because I know I forgot one on the other side. Apple out of their mind talking about $250. More like 30. Shoot. All right, one more on this side. All right, guys, there you have it. Repaired Beats Studio Wireless 2 headphones. All right, guys, so there you have it. A fixed pair of Beats Studio headphones that I did not pay $250 to fix, more like 30 bucks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and join the Geek Source family. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.